Let me show you in this tutorial how you can turn a TikTok video into a fully optimized, beautifully written blog post in less than 10 minutes. And as a bonus, I'm also going to show you how you can get it ranking in Google in the next few months without paying for a single ad. Let's go. So the first thing you want to get set up is repurpose.io. I have mine set up so that every time I post a TikTok video, it automatically repurposes it into a YouTube video straight away without me having to lift a finger. So to turn a TikTok video into a blog post, you're actually going to use the YouTube video. So go over to the YouTube video and grab the URL and then go to a platform called notegpt.io. This is actually going to transcribe all of the audio from the TikTok, and it's also going to give you key highlights and a summary. Seriously, this platform is genius. More people need to know about notegpt.io. Next, go over to ChatGPT and put in a prompt that you want it to become a world-class blog writer. You're going to tell it what you want the blog post to be about and let it know that you're going to copy and paste in a transcript of a TikTok video and some highlights and a summary. Let ChatGPT know what kind of style you want, or you could even say something like, make sure that the blog post sounds like the person in the video. Now, before you hit enter on the ChatGPT prompt, you want to make sure you do keyword research. Do not skip this step or your content will not rank in Google. To do keyword research, I really recommend the website KeySearch, and you can actually get a 20% discount via one of the links in my bio. You want to go in there and put in what you think your ideal client or customer would type into Google regarding the topic from this TikTok video. So in my case, we were looking at keywords such as get paid on Pinterest or how to monetize Pinterest. You want to make sure you're looking for keywords that have a good search volume, but that aren't too competitive. And by the way, if you want to learn more about this, from keywords to using AI to repurpose content, I'm teaching this heavily in depth in my brand new program, PinTok Academy. If you aren't already signed up for it, go and enroll right now. Once you've chosen your keywords, go back to the ChatGPT prompt and put in this blog post needs to include the key phrase or key phrases, then copy and paste those in from KeySearch and mention that it needs to feature them at least 7 times. Because you've said key phrase, ChatGPT will also know what that means. Hit that enter button and see the beautiful blog post that comes to life in seconds. And it should sound uniquely like you because it's based on a transcript from your own content. Next, I like to go and copy it into a Google Doc so that A, I've got a copy of it, but B, so that I can just go through it again quickly. I like to actually add in a few extra keywords, make sure that I'm happy with all the subheadings and that it all looks okay. Then I head over to my blog, I copy and paste the entire thing in, and then I'm going to make it look nice with some royalty-free stock images. And I like to use a website called unsplash.com. I go through and I find nice images that I feel like stand out and represent what I'm talking about in the blog post. Once I've got these images uploaded, I make sure that in the alt text, I put the keyword along with a description of the image. This is actually also going to boost your SEO. And for another little extra SEO boost, I'm actually going to embed one of my YouTube videos because I know that Google will like this. So I'll just go and grab one that I think is related to what I'm talking about. So for this one, it was perfectly matched with my Instagram breakup update video. Then I'll go through and do my SEO and optimization checks and then hit that publish button. But what about making sure that this is going to rank in Google? Okay, here's your little bonus tips. You want to make sure that you have your metadata optimized with the keywords that you found from KeySearch. So regardless of what blog platform you're using, whether it's Squarespace, WordPress, Wix, there should be an area where you can edit the metadata for each page. Tip 2 is to then go and create a whole bunch of Pinterest pins. I didn't actually film myself doing that, so these pins are actually from another blog post, but you get the point. Go and create a whole bunch of Pinterest pins that really stand out, that are visually stunning, that have good hooks and call to actions, and go and pin them on Pinterest for the next 6 to 12 months, and you'll see your blog post will absolutely blow up online. The reason I say 6 to 12 months is you could absolutely start pinning to it tomorrow and it could rank in Google in the next few weeks or the next few months, but you want to keep it there. So by consistently driving traffic to it, you're going to keep that piece of content on the higher pages of Google. Don't forget, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to blow up on Pinterest, TikTok, and Google in 2025, go and get yourself enrolled into my brand new program, PinTok Academy, which you can find all the information in the link in my bio.